Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to change lipstick color in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, create a solid color layer and make it red and invert and select layer mask and press Ctrl I to invert it and take a soft round brush and brush with white just over the lips. Now after that, change that blend mode to multiply and go to blending options and move the underlying slider and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. And duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J and change the color to lighter red for more highlights and change that blend mode to screen and reduce the opacity and fill as well. And your lipstick color is changed. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.